Supreme. In today's video, we're gonna record the recycling truck that was at my Fort McMurray neighborhood unloading. Look at it. Wow! Wow! Yeah, that's a recycle. Whoa! Hello! Whoa! This is actually my first garbage truck unloading video. So if you liked it, I'll be sure to see if I'm lucky and upload more of this stuff. Ooh, I bet the loader's gonna push it in. Oh, yep, the loader. Ooh, let's see if we can get him to haul. Yay! Whoa. Whoa, that's the Ray McNeely unloading. No, that loader's gonna push it in. As the body lowers down. I was hoping we would catch something like this, and we did. Look at the Raven right there trying to dodge the loader. This is such an exciting find. Yep, we should, alright, stop filming the loader. Bye guys, like and subscribe for more.